Okay, so question number 7 we have is from all the English alphabet, 5 letters are chosen and are arranged in alphabetical order. The total number of ways in which the middle letter is M. Okay, so the question is asking, we are choosing how many letters? 5. So I am making this 5 empty places 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In which the fixed letter is M. The letter which is fixed is M, and we have to choose in alphabetical order, right? So what comes before M will be here in that 2 places, and what comes after M, like N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, that should be after the M. The middle will be this one, right? So if you go from A to L, from here we can go from A to L, and A to L is I think 12 alphabet, and out of that 12 letters, right, we have to choose 2. So I will write 12C2 here, and the selection for here KLN, right, from N to Z. So N to Z is I think 13 alphabet. So 13 letters we are choosing, out of 13 letters we are choosing 2. So this will be 12C2 multiplied by 13C2, right? So 12C2, the total number of ways, because there is no choice here, M is the middle one. So the total number of ways, it will be 12C2 into 13C2, and the rest is only solving. So we can solve like 12 factorial, 10 factorial, and here it will be 2 factorial multiplied by 13 factorial, and this will be 11 factorial and 2 factorial. So this will be cancelled as 11 into 12 divided by 2 multiplied by 12 into 13 divided by 2. So this will come 2 and 6. So this will finally come as 66 into 78, and 66 into 78 will be, I think, just multiply 78 into 66, right? So this will come as 6 8s are 48, 42 and right. This will come as 5148, right? This will come as 5148, and the correct option is D, right? So the total number of ways in which the middle letter is M. So there will be how many ways? 5148 ways.